Oh shit, it goes into the deeper. Like, we've been hoarding pine cones down here.
Oh shit.
This is looking like a new fence, bro.
Do you think so?
Maybe it just has that coating where it stays good forever.
Do you think there might be some fucking cameras in there?
Bro, who have you seen go here?
I seen one person a while back.
And there's like graffiti all in it.
There's graffiti on the outside a little bit, but like I said, bro, I ain't been on Instagram for a while, so. Yeah, just be careful. Do you think they drive on this still?
No.
Okay.
Bro, it looks like it hasn't been driven on in like fucking 8 million years.
Well, we're in here.
They might drive in the actual asphalt. Do I put the shiesty on?
Nah.
About to say it's looking hot as fuck for that.
I'm not pulling the shiesty on. I'm just about to throw my actual camera out. Where the fuck?
Bro, doesn't this shit look like the Stonehenge? Look at it. It's some kind of like art installation, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like something that's in like New York.
The only thing that's weird is that that building still has the shit on the roof, but I guess that could be from when it was. Do I not have any cannon batteries? Oh, I do, okay. They would drive in through over there though, that's the only way in.
I think we're chilling.
Oh, definitely.
That's dope. Bro, we're about to meet up with the Loop Explorers. We're walking in DC. It's kind of weird.
That shit is kind of nuts.
Bro, it's full of
Still water.
Oh, wait.
What?
Fucking, I thought it was water, bro. What the hell? Isn't this sunken into it?
What is it?
What the shit? Is it frozen? Oh my god, it's frozen.
How?
What the fuck? It's like muck. Look. It moves. What the shit? I've never seen some kind of like substance like that before. Is that oil? Danger confined space.
Apparently there's a control room in here.
This shit looks moldy as fuck. Yo, what the fuck is a fridge? Oh god, they emptied it. Imagine how bad it would have been if they didn't. Oh my god, dude, that should have been like fucking The Last of Us. Fucking 4 or something.
Big ass fuses.
That's like Fallout right there, you're still looking for. You go down just like Should I try to walk across this fuel line? It'd be fucking crazy. I think there's actually a better way to get in here than jump over the fence.
That wasn't that bad.
Nah, it wasn't bad at all, but still. I'm gonna take Where's that coming from? Is that in the fucking here? This is dope. Oh, what the hell? Is this open?
That one is over there.
Yeah, or across this bit. Okay.
Okay, we gotta be nifty with it.
Oh, it smells so bad in here.
Pretty sure there's an open door right there, but we did it the real explorer way.
Wow, that's crazy. What the fuck? I have to like hurry down. It smells horrible up there. What the fuck? This is like die.
I could see a body getting dumped here.
That's like any abandoned place that's constructed like this.
Oh, there's like a whole...
What?
There's like machinery in here.
I forgot my flashlight, I can't lie to you.
I only got this little one. I might have a bigger one in my bag. Let me double check that. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Let's pray.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. It's 99% too.
Oh my god. Look. Imagine the bomb comes out, what would you do? Should I pull it? Oh, someone already pulled it. What the fuck?
Ferrous chloride.
That sounds fucking like... that sounds horrible. Imagine you breathe that in. Oh shit, why do they all say confined space? What does that even mean?
They're saying we need a permit to go in those silos. Climb up in them. Bro.
Skimmed oil. I don't know who needs a gigantic fucking 1,000 gallon drum of skimmed oil. Put this bitch on Facebook Marketplace. Take a bunch of pictures of him and put it on Facebook.
Hell yeah, bro.
Like, who should I buy this, bro? Did I get banned off of Marketplace?
They're gonna be like, where did you get that from? Alright, we're gonna... Yeah, we're gonna go up here and see if there's a fucking control room.
I can already hear it.
Is this a fucking control room that people are like, whoa, there's a control room in here. I don't like that. Oh, this room's kind of cool, bro. This is a lab. Yeah. There's papers everywhere. Oh, shit.
Yo, the server.
Dude, look at this wall. No, come here. They got the control panel wall, bro.
Damn, it's mad decayed in here.
But everything's like left.
That's dope. Yeah, that's fucking cool as shit.
This is crazy. I did not think this much stuff would be up in here. Like these, literally just full.
That looks like a date on something.
I see 2004 over here.
Probably it then, to be honest. I can't find nothing in this. Should we call this random piece of paper with a phone number on it?
You think it's still connected to anything? Dates 2003.
Sulfuric acid, cleaner tank, acid tank 1 and 2, the acid waste.
Yo, what the?
Yo, what is
What's
this,
crazy
bro?
is these are all done too. 2010.
Wait, really?
These are made in these word searches.
Damn, so, huh. Whoa, danger? Yo, what the fuck?
That's a terrible spot for. That's a door that goes to the mushroom area. That's definitely like a newer board.
Maybe. It doesn't get wet ever, though. It's inside.
Yeah, that is true.
It could be from like fucking like 2016. I don't even know.
The fuse area for pretty much the whole control room.
Control panel.
Dude, no, this control panel is so cool, especially like the map.
Oh god. Yo, I haven't even uncovered. Haven't taken in this room at all yet. I haven't looked at it.
I hear rats. I just heard a rat.
As well. There might have been a bird. Oh, the window. We gonna leave that shit open.
Fucking moldy ass book. Lockout energy control. Total toxic organic premature solutions. Benzonic acid. Bro, here's a bunch of benzonic acid tablets. There's a...
Acid tablets?
Yeah, dude. I think it's just...
Big testing. Damn, look how moldy that is. Oh, what the fuck?
Acid.
Does it say acid?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you're right.
There's just shit in all this stuff. This is some pretty chill. Did not expect to see this in here.
Yeah, this is cool, bro. I'm glad you brought me here. Oh, wait, look, 2009 calendar. 2010. Maybe it was 2010 they closed this bitch. This is the abandoned lab that we come across, bro, and then we get attacked by like whatever extreme civil science.
No, for real. We just gotta find somewhere to smoke. Which the best place to smoke might be just outside.
What do you mean, like out of this place?
Yeah, like in just like in that area out there.
Oh, I'm down. Okay. Oh, right. No, that's just the fucking.
Oh no, you might be right. It goes there and then there's more stairs. We just gotta be careful up here because that shit is really fucking high. And very seeable from that road right there. Holy.
Wow, this looks fucking insane.
Does this even go to that or is that just going to this? Let's go up there still.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, look how good the fucking this machine. Look at that. Holy fuck. So we gotta make this shit as steep as fucking possible. Goddamn.
Yeah, like this is pretty much a fucking ladder.
Oh my god, you can go into it. Who's drinking a fucking beer? It's not like that. Dude! Oh my god, I'm looking like it.
What the fuck? It's filled?
Yes.
Nah.
That shit's old, bro. Imagine falling in that bitch. Like, look how deep it goes.
They did not empty.
Bro, you would like, if you like fell in there, I feel like you'd like sink into it and like suffocate. It's crazy.
How did they not empty that shit?
I don't know. Dude, let's
Do you hear all the rats, bro? Are those rats or birds?
Some kind of fucking thing that squeaks. There might be a rat.
Oh, walking down this shit. I think
You're right, this is fucking tricky.
going this way is the best way. And he ain't gonna lie to you. Like backwards with it. Oh, this view is fucked.
Yeah, oh, it's actually enough for me to be concerned a little bit.
Alright, so if it wasn't recording, bro, after we smoke, we come running through here. I see a tick on me, bro. I just stripped. I pretty much just stripped. That shit is bugging, bro. And we gotta go right back through Tick Central. Dude, this is so fucked up. Nah, bro, this shit fucked up.
Bro, we gotta go in. We gotta run. We gotta get out of here. We can't stay in this parking lot all night. You ready?
Hold on, bro. Should we run or just walk?
Run.
Hold on. Why should we run? I feel like we gonna run into more shit. They sit on the end of the plants.
Nah, bro. The slower we are, the faster they have. The more time they have to jump on us. Like if you just run past it real quick, they gotta like aim and jump like really quick. If we go.
Bro, are you sure there's not one on my back?
Yes,
bro.
buddy, bro. Where?
Right here.
Yeah, there's none, bro. You're good.
Fuck.
Alright, come on, bro. Stop being a bitch. We gotta go. You ready?
Oh, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Oh, this area is much better. Oh, I got another one. Fuck. Bro, oh my god, bro. I'm fucking tweaking. My knee just dislocated. Fuck. Get me out of here. There's ticks in this bitch. Oh, I probably got like 100 ticks on my shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck that shit. Oh, I ripped my shirt up. Bro, check my back. Bro, you gotta check my back.
You're good.
I ripped the fuck out my shirt though. What? Yeah, bro. Fuck those ticks, man. And my knee dislocated, bro.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh, like the one that your leg is broken?
Yeah, bro.
You good?
Yeah, I'm just running off adrenaline. I was.
Yeah, you're kind of bugging.
Look at my arms, bro.
Damn, man. How did you jump that shit?
I don't know. I was just pushing through branches too.
You jumped through that bitch like you were getting chased by a tiger.
I was running through it, bro. Fuck. Hey. You've never seen me that scared in my whole life, bro.
I don't think I have, actually. What the hell?
Hey, bro, it was just raps, cause the one I saw on my shit, bro.
What?
The one I saw on my fucking shirt was big as fuck. That motherfucker was big as fuck. Like you, bro, I'm so pissed it wasn't recording it. Fuck.
I didn't even see your sleeve.
That's what
oh my god.
What is my back rib too?
Yeah, there's a little one on your back right here, bro.
Bro, my sleeve is fucked.
Dude, it looks like you got like attacked by something, bro.